So now you can see on the board I have drawn some figures, is it? So all the figures are closed figures. Can you name the figures? Yes, the first one is triangle ABC. Okay. Next one we are having quadrilateral PQRS. And next one we are having pentagon. What is the name? LMNOW. Okay, so we are having these figures which are closed figures. Yes, also we are having other closed figures which are having more than 5 sides. All these figures or the diagrams, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and other closed figures with more than 5 sides are called polygons. What are they called? Polygons. So, did you understand what are polygons? Now we will study some figures, closed figures with more than 5 sides. So now I have drawn some closed figures on the board. Can you name which figures are this? The first one is having 3 sides. So it is called triangle. Okay. Next, 4 sides and all sides are equal. So it is called square. Next, 4 sides but opposite sides are equal. Thus it is called, very good, rectangle. Yes. Next, we are having the figure with 5 sides. No, with 4 sides only. Yes, that figure is called quadrilateral. Okay. And then we are having a figure with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Then that figure is called pentagons. Pentagon. Yes. So up till now we have learned till here. Now we will learn the remaining figures. See children, this figure is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Yes. So the figure or closed figure having 6 sides is called hexagon. What is that figure called as? Hexagon. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Yes. So a closed figure having 7 sides is called heptagon. Okay. And the last, the figure having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides is called octagon. Okay. So the figure having, closed figure having 8 sides is called octagon. So now whatever figures you are able to see on the board, all the figures are called polygons. Okay. So the first polygon, 3 sides triangle, 4 equal sides square, 4 opposite sides equal rectangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon. So all these figures together are called polygons. So now I have taken a pentagonal shape, yes, which I have cut from a piece of paper. Now what I will do children, I will select one point. Suppose I am selecting this point. From this point I will draw dotted lines towards the other points in such a way that they will form a triangle. Now see, if I start from here, I will draw dotted line till here. Yes, then we get a triangle in this way. Yes, so now I will show you. In this way I will join the two vertices and I will draw dotted line in this way. See, in this way. So did we get a triangle here? Yes, now I'll use the same point and draw a dotted line here in this way. So because of this dotted line, did I get two more triangles? One is here and second one is here. Yes. So children, because of these two dotted lines, I have got 1, 2 and 3 triangles in one pentagon. So now, can you tell me the sum of the angles of a pentagon? Yes, we can easily tell children, because we have already learned the sum of the angles of triangle. What is the sum of the angles of triangle? 180 degree. Yes, means this angle, see here, this is a triangle. Yes, in this way. Is it having 3 angles? Yes, means its measurement will be 180 degree. Very good. This is again one triangle. So its angle is 1, 2 and 3. Yes, so 3 angles again 180 degree. Yes, now here 1, 2 and 3. So again 3 angles means 180 degree. Yes, now see 180 plus 180, 360. Yes, plus 180 will give us how much? Very good, 540. So total if we will add, then what is our total? 540 degrees. So children, the measure of the angles of pentagon will be 540 degrees. See pentagon will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 angles. Did we get? Because of 3 triangles. So all these 5 angles measurement will be 540 degree. Okay. So now again I have taken a pentagon which is same like this pentagon. Yes, now in this pentagon, from this dot or this vertex I had drawn the lines. Yes, now I will draw lines from other vertex. Suppose I am selecting this. Okay, then what I will do, I will leave this and I will join these two. See in this way. And after joining these two vertices, can I draw a dotted line in this way? So after drawing, did I get one triangle here? Now from here I will join here. See So now did I join from this vertex here? Yes. So when I drew the lines from this vertices, again I got 1, 2 and 3 triangles. This tells us that if you draw or make a fold, or if you draw lines from different vertices for the same figure, you will get same number of triangles. Here also you got 3 triangles. Here also you will get 3 triangles. Then what will be the measure of this pentagon also? Surely it will be 540 degree. Because it is having 3 triangles, means 180, 180 and 180. 180 multiplied by 3 will give us 540 degree. So from this what are we learning children? That if we divide pentagon, hexagon, heptagon in number of triangles, then we have to multiply 180 degree by number of triangles. Did you understand? See here we are having 1, 2 and 3. So 180 will multiply by 3. Then we'll get the multiplications answer. That will be the measure of angles of that particular figure. Okay. So pentagon, 2 same shape I had taken. See, if I'll overlap and I'll show same there. Yeah. But I have drawn triangles from different vertex. Okay. So here I have drawn from this side. Here I have drawn from this side. But there are 3 triangles only, and the measure will be surely 540 degree. So if you will draw heptagon, then number of triangle will increase. Hexagon, octagon, if you will go on drawing these figures, no, number of triangles in that figures will increase, and their angles measurement, sum of their angles will also go on increasing. So my dear students, up till now we have completed the notes till diagonals of quadrilateral. Later on you are going to write the notes which you are able to see on the screen, and this will be the second page. Okay, so 2 pages are there. You will complete that after diagonals of quadrilateral. So now let's begin with practice set 37. Question: observe the figures below and find out their names. So here we are having figures. Here we'll write down its names. So the first figure is having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So the figure having 5 sides is called, yes, pentagon. Okay. Now the figure is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it is called, yes, hexagon. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. It is called heptagon. And the figure having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides is called octagon. Okay, so we have named all the figures. So complete the practice set neatly as shown on the board in your CW.